Welcome to Park Avenue Lasek. I'm Tarek. I'm Parth. We're going to take you on a tour.
So welcome to Park Avenue Lasek. This is Dr. Chin's wall of Ivy League degrees. He first started out at Dartmouth for undergrad, where he majored in biology and topped his class. Then he moved on to Columbia University for medical school, where he also received honors there. He did internship at St. Vincent's Hospital and Medical Center. And then finally, he moved on to do his residency in ophthalmology at Massachusetts Eye and Ear, also known as Harvard University. After inventing the Lasek procedure there in 2004, he moved on to do his corneal refractive fellowship at Emory University, and 2 years later, he joined NYU to finish up with his MBA in marketing. So this is the case of Dr. Chin that he has, including his father and grandfather. His father was a neurologist, and his grandfather was an ophthalmologist. And so this reminds Dr. Chin of the work that he does every single day when he treats patients. The examination rooms here, 2 of them, to examine patients post-operative.
And this is our front desk. And this is our waiting room for our patients. And over here, where we do our orb scans and wave scans. We keep this room dark so that it's better for our patients when we're doing their pre-op testing. But that's a different story for a different conversation. And over here is our glass operating room, which is our way of saying that we are so confident you will not have a complication in the operating room, so you can actually see right through it. A lot of places say, oh, it's safe, but we're guaranteeing you will never have a flap complication in our operating room because we stopped cutting flaps over 20 years ago because Lasek is 10 times safer than LASIK. Thanks for joining us. We'll hope to see you soon.